The Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a good balance of features and performance. It has a large display, a decent camera system, and a long-lasting battery. Design and display. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has a simple and understated design. It has a plastic body with a metal frame. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is sharp and clear and the colors are vibrant. The viewing angles are also good, so you can watch the phone from almost any angle without any loss of quality. Performance. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1085G processor. The performance is good for a budget-friendly smartphone. The phone can handle most everyday tasks, such as browsing the web, checking email, and social media. You can also play some light games on the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, but you'll need to lower the graphics settings for more demanding games. Camera. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. The front-facing camera is a 13MP sensor. The camera system is decent for a budget-friendly smartphone. It can take good photos in good lighting conditions, but the photos can be noisy in low light. Battery life. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has a 5000 mAh battery. The battery life is excellent. You can easily get a full day of use on a single charge. Overall, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G is a great budget-friendly smartphone. It has a large display, a decent camera system, and a long-lasting battery. If you are looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that offers good value for money, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G is a great option to consider. Recommended for anyone who wants a budget-friendly smartphone with a large display and long battery life. People who are looking for a smartphone with a decent camera system. People who are on a budget and need a smartphone that can handle most everyday tasks.